This is Project Chevy. It is a 39-degree Sunday afternoon now. It's past noon. And I'm going to put the ECM in the Chevy today. And I really hope that's it, because I've done everything to it. The last video you just watched was the fact that I put the coil in with the new ignition module, and unfortunately, just as I cranked it, the camera shut down, and I thought I had it in. I thought I had it. But it did start, and I ran it up and down the driveway for about 20 minutes till I got everything running and warm. And then I backed it up right where it is right now, and I shut it down, and it would not start again. So the original coil pack that I took out was good. So it now has another coil pack out of a it was out of a 2003 Grand Am, I believe it was, but you saw that in another video when I went down there and took it out, the one prior to putting it in this one. So we're going to go ahead and put the ECM in this thing, and we're going to see what happens. 5 minutes or so. Here we'll go. Again. Woo! All right.
Time's gonna be running out again.
Time's
gonna be running out again.
I know.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, Christmas shopping is here again. Oh man, I actually got some mist going on here. All right, let's take a look here. Here's the one I just got out of that other one. Let's turn it around. Stickers sit the same way. Service number. Oh, look at that. Service number 2206 09 096 614. Same. Of course, you got different different numbers when it comes to that. Let's see, different. Oh, same HDW number. 1220260022600 22600, and yep, that's what you're looking at, same thing. So we've got the identical ECM and PCM controllers. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, so let's get this in. Which one did I just put in? Okay, this is the new one. So let's get this slid up in here. Come on. There we go. Go. All right. You're going to use a number 7 socket. Can't really screw these up. You got the white one, you got the blue one. And you take a look. So you got clear. The other one's blue. And when they're sitting up there, clear's on the outside. Blue's on the inside. Here. Started. Yeah, I really thought. There it goes. I really thought that it was the control module ignition, but as you can see from the video, that I troubleshot after I put it in, that it that the that sit there. This wants to fall out. That I had ignition. So now they say you have to take these in and have them reprogrammed, but if you've got the same, I've found if you've got the exact same module, you don't have to worry about it. It's you're dealing with the different options. This came out of a, again, this came out of a 2. Same year. Same year in model. Alright. And as you can see, everything mated right up. It was identical. Okay, let's get the. It's rain. It's considered raining right now. Okay, I need that. I need the battery. I need the socket stuff. So I can get the battery back in. I need an 8 for that. Yuck! It's ugly. All right, I'll get my board, my kneeling board, back in the garage. Ah, man, ugly. Thank God it's not below. If it was below 30, it'd be snowing actually. So, all right, give me a 8 out of here. 8. There it is. Okay, got my 8. I'm even out here without gloves. Okay, gonna get the battery in. We're gonna fire this puppy up, and I really hope. Really hope I'm down into it. In the battery box. Nuts. It's cold. My hands are getting cold. Cold in. I know I'm always putting this thing together in the freaking coldest weather I can find. Okay, so this has that new coil in it. New coil, well, newer coil. New coil with the ignition module. So, let's see what happens. I'm gonna have to go back through those. pickup sensors, especially. I know the back one, I know the back block crank sensor is working because I have ignition. I do not have fuel, and that is governed by the cam sensor under here. Unfortunately, to do the cam sensor, I gotta